was I gonna do today? Was I gonna study? No way, it's a holiday. Or was I going to play tennis? No tennis in this weather. Ah, hello there. I didn't know you were here. Welcome. Do you know what? The weather is bad again today. So I want to do something at home. I decided to do something, but I forgot what it was now. I can't remember what it was. Mutlu, what are you doing like that?
Not only Mutlu, Neşe, it's Samurai Painter Mutlu. I'm famous worldwide.
That's right. The whole world knows you now. Don't you see that I'm chatting with my friends here?
Don't you move a muscle, sis. I'll create a great painting for you with this perfect paintbrush.
Okay then, come on, do it, Samurai.
I said don't move. Let's see. We will definitely need a bit more of yellow.
Mutlu, come on. Look, they're all watching us now. I can't stand here all day.
No need for that, sis. I can see the type of painting that I'm going to draw right now. I'm closing my eyes to remember it. Here I go. And I will create my art right away.
That is Mutlu. Sorry, I needed to say Samurai Painter Mutlu.